Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I have my brushes. Yes, and actually, I received them yesterday, but it was a little late. So, if you're interested in seeing what's in here, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Are you guys okay? I'm hanging in there, and actually I'm recording this on a weekend because although a lot of the people already received their brushes from the Hank and Henry, which is the LA Institute, Makeup Institute, and I live in California. Don't ask me why I get it later than the opinionated horsewoman who lives in Wisconsin. How does that happen? No idea, because I'm only a couple of hours. I should just drive down there and pick it up. So anyhow, yeah, I did finally get it. And I did actually watch Stephanie's video to see if it's going to be the same. And so I'm not sure, because what she got looked like what I got last month. And so I'm really not sure what's going on with that. So, but this is a monthly box, which is a subscription, which is $24.95, and you're supposed to get between 5 and 6 brushes and 1 makeup item. So let's see what I got. So okay, and these come in this really pretty envelope, and it says here fragile, and from the Christmas Story. I don't know if you guys ever watched that. It's in black and white. It's with Gavin. No, I forgot what his name was, but anyway, he got a crate from winning a contest. He said, look, it must have come from Italy, fragile. And then his wife looks at it and says, honey, I think this is fragile. So anyway, she says fragile, but I say fragile. Potatoes. Anyway, does not matter. So I digress. But again, ta-da! Remember, we have to affirm ourselves, okay? This is our daily affirmation. So if you're watching these videos on a daily basis, you get an affirmation every day. So that's something to, a good reason to, watch every day. So anyway, let's see what it says today. I'm going to go ahead and put on my glasses so I can see. Okay, this is, when they do it like this, it's kind of really, really hard to see. And it's very few of them that's like this, because it writes like this and it continues like this. Yeah, so let's see what it says. Change is a natural process in this world, and I accept it with an open mind. Change is a natural process in this world, and I accept it with an open mind. Having said that, change is the only constant, okay, in life. And I think I learned to accept that at a very young age, because I don't mind change at all. I actually like change, and I'm one of those people that unless you change something up, I get completely bored with it. And so this is one of the big reasons why I went into nursing, aside from the reason why I wanted to take care of people and do things for people. Okay, so I said, I want to do things for people, but what job can I get that actually is changing? And in nursing, the good thing is you can become any different type of nurse, or nurse, ICU nurse. I was actually a trauma intensive care nurse when I was at the bedside. And, I came out of bedside. I did a little stint in infection control. Then I moved into risk management and patient safety. So I've been able to move around because of it. And it's because I don't like to stagnate. But a lot of people that I know personally, and a lot of people I work with, they don't like change. And every time there's change, they panic. They're like, oh my God, it's change. I don't want to change. I don't want to change. I'm like, you know what? Roll with it. Roll with it. You're not going to stop it. I mean, if we didn't have change, we don't have progress. So it is what it is. It's probably easier said than done, because I watch my friends really struggle with change. But for me, stagnation is a lot scarier, not changing. So yeah, I don't mind it. But this is actually very good, because I think, there are a lot of people out there who do fear change and who are reluctant, and, they don't want to change. So it says, change is a natural process in this world, and I accept it with an open mind. So this is a good card. In the back, it says, what has changed in my life recently? How did I react? How could I have reacted better? Okay. What has changed in my life recently? It could be anything from your work to your personal life, you know, or whatever. And how did I react? And how could I have reacted better? The most recent change I can think of is going from working at the hospital in my office to having to work remote. And how did I react? In a positive manner. I said, hey, look, you know what? This is my opportunity to lose weight. And that's when I started keto, actually, and lost, 50 pounds. And so, because now I can stay home and cook. Whereas a lot of people actually panicked. Well, I'm going to work from home. What am I going to do, right? But I like to take the challenges given to me and try to turn it into a positive thing. And so how could I have reacted better? For me, I think I reacted okay. But now I'm really liking working from remote because I have more flexibility as I'm, doing Zoom, and when I have breaks in between, I can prep my meals and things like that. And so it actually is nice, but think about it. If you're not good with change, what has changed in my life recently? How did I react, and how could I have reacted better? There you go. Okay. Alrighty then. That's that. So let me just go ahead and put this down. And let me close it up because I want to take care of it. I don't know what I'm going to do with these cards afterwards. I'm thinking about sending friend mail and putting one in each of them. So maybe, but I don't, send a lot of friend mail. So that's a lot. Anyway, so let's go ahead and open up this bag. I don't want to ruin it because, I want to save these. Okay, got it. Okay, let's dump it out in front of me so I have it. Okay, that's it. And of course, they do send you your receipt, and it just says one of one. Doesn't give you any information about the stuff. And I can tell you right off the bat, there is no makeup product. I've got my handful of brushes, okay, and looks like some other tools as well. You're supposed to be getting a makeup item, but this looks like another tool. And these are so very cute, though. I'm not sad about this. It's 6 mini powder puffs. Look, I don't know if you can see them. Can you see them? They're little miniature powder puffs that'll fit like on your finger only. This would be perfect for under the eyes to setting the if I decide to set my what's it, Bobby? What is it called? The concealer. Yeah, so that'd be perfect because you see it comes with, I have this one. This is what I use, and look at the little puff that comes with it. So I would just replace it. Huh. Nice. I don't mind it. And plus, a lot of the makeup stuff they've been sending me has been kind of crazy. So, yeah. So, okay, let's go. Let's start with the purple brushes. So, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 brushes today. And there are 4 purple ones, which is the Makeup Institute one because it says Makeup Institute MI. Okay. Do you see it? And it doesn't say anything else. Just says MI. And then 2 of the Hank and Henry brushes. Okay. And these have girls' names on them, don't they? Yep. Because Hank and Henry, they put a woman's name on each of their brush, women in their lives. So, yeah. So, let's go with the first one. Hank and Henry, and this is a Karen. Karen, huh? That's funny. Okay. And this is an angle brush, which I think I've gotten already from them. But this is a thick, very thick, so this is, but soft, very soft, so that way you can actually use this to smudge your eyeliner. This is nice. And I think I already have one from them. Let's see. Maybe not, because I already have like a whole handful of purple ones here too. See, this is from my last one. That's why I thought it was the same, but it doesn't look like it's the same brushes. Oh, good. Goody. So I can build a collection. Okay, the next one is called the Trish. And here it is. And there it goes. You know one thing about their brush, they're synthetic, but they're so soft, and I really enjoy them. To be honest with you, I haven't used any of them because I'm trying to save them. And I think I already have the Trish brush, though. Let's see. Hold on. Sorry about that. I'm reaching over here. See, I already have this many from Hank and Henry. And I think, did I get a Trish already? Oh, no, it's Tasha. I don't have a Trish. Okay, so I'll be able to complete quite a bit of the the collection, I think. So yeah. And next, from the Makeup Institute side, they don't have names on them. They just says MI, and here it is. This is a very nice blending brush, and you guys know when you watch me do the try-ons and makeup tutorials that I love these fluffy brushes, and I use them a lot. This is a little bit big, which is nice, and so it's welcome. But it is this one. These do feel, you can feel that these are synthetic very clearly, unlike some of their other ones that feels a little bit more hairy, right? And the next one here is a nice, what would you, packing brush, okay? And it is flat, you see, so you can pack on the colors, and I like that. And I actually enjoy this type of brushes, especially if I'm working with pigments, because I don't like using my real hair like my goat hair one, like this one here, which is rougher, and it gets stained because when you work with pigments, it stains them. So I would rather use a synthetic one, which doesn't stain. And the next one is a small pencil brush, and I always welcome this because I use these small pencil brushes to actually smudge my eyeliner, and also use for like inner corner. These are perfect. So yep, I do welcome that. Not a problem at all. And I haven't gotten one from them like this. Oh, these have numbers on them. I just noticed. Okay, so this is S202. S202. The very fluffy one is S207. I don't even know if it's like, yeah, you can see that. And then the packing brush is S206. And the last one, which is S203, let me show you, S203. And this is more of a, oh, this is thick too and very soft. I like it when this is soft because I have one by Kat Von D that's really hard, and I can't really smudge things with it. And this would be really good to work underneath as well, because I don't like really working with a big brush underneath because it makes me look like I got a black eye if I'm using like a darker color. And so I would rather use something like this. So yeah, perfect. I'm happy with that. At least they're not repeat brushes, and it looks like they're sending us the collection piece by piece, which is just fine. I'm okay with that. And so, okay, my beautiful wildflowers. So let's recap. Little puffs instead of a makeup product. 2 Hank & Henry brushes. And 4 Makeup Institute brushes. And so, yep, that's what I got. And it was $24.95. Like I said, it's a monthly subscription. And if you get it 3 months, I believe it is a little bit cheaper. Yeah, it ends up being like $23.95 or something like that. But not by much. So, yeah. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. Let me get that off because I know it's reflecting on you. So, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet and you like these type of, not subscriptions, but see, now I kind of messed that up, but that's okay because I'm human and I'm not going to edit it out for you. So, if you like these type of content, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell button so that way you know every time I upload a video. But don't forget to hit that all so that way you do get the messages. So my beautiful wildflowers, I hope you guys have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend. And as I always say, doesn't matter when you're watching this, but just remember, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.